guys, so today we're gonna play Beautiful for a Treasure again. I played this and I showed you a hacker, but one dude just showed me how to get all the way there. I think so, but I don't know. Still, this is gonna be. Oh my God! What is that big T there doing? Boang. Is that a T? No, that's not a T. Hey, why am I not dying? Okay, wait, let me just. Whee! Oh no, 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 my hand. No, my hand. My hand. Oh, wait, how am I not dying? Wow, that was cool. I didn't see me didn't die. That was literally weird. Literally. Yeah. So I'm gonna just. I also know this things here, but I didn't do anything here yet. Just exploring, trying to get some money because I'm bored and nothing to do. So yeah. I think I will do this again and again and again. But how am I walking? My feet are stable, but I'm not walking, guys. I'm not walking. I'm just going like this. See, this is what happens when you stop walking. Okay, then I'll just ride on mine to this. Ooh, this doesn't work. Let's go. This is what happens if you don't have a neon pet. This happens if you don't have a neon pet. Oh my God, why my things are getting over? Oh my God, what has happened? Oh my God, this right here. Shut off. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, I just died. That didn't work. Okay, what can you do now? Let me check. Oh my God, big T here, big T here. Okay, I'm going there right, isn't it? Okay, I guess I can. Wait. Yeah. Yes. That didn't make sense. This wasn't. I also got the chills something. Chills like thrills. Oh yeah, I have the sign too, so you better respect my sign. Okay, here, look. Wait, what happened? Oh no. What? I can type there? Oh, fine, I can. I need help, please. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was like, is that cat something? Wait, no, don't, please. No. Where's the speed candy? Okay, thanks. Let me just ride on. Why is this invisible? Let's go. Is someone controlling our food? Oh my God. you're so like this, oh my god, who is controlling it? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's precious. Oh my god, why is that thing? I'm not doing it. I'll keep doing it. Stop it. What is this? Come on. Okay, I'll just do the hack. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, wait. I know where's the shield plushie. It's hard to get though. It's hidden in the first stage even. So I'm just gonna wear this jacket. This is gonna be a long time. I guess I have to I think it's like let's do this thing. Wait, I wanna show off my shield plush. Wait. Oh man, I can't. Oh guys, can you like give me like some of like these? But I don't know these. But doesn't look that cool for me. But penny just only one, but not two. Okay, if you don't, or else I will smack you. I'll smack you and get all your cookies. Your cookies will die. Your cookies will die. If you don't give me only one. If you don't give me only one, I will smack you. My name is not Mega Man. My name is Cheche. Okay, we're almost there. That took like 30,000 minutes. Oh my goodness! Oh my, that took like 10,000 years. And ta-da! Okay, wait, this is the wall. Go here. And check right over. Oh, right over this edge. This edge of the bubble thing. The edge of the bubble thing. Wow, those cakes. I don't think this is gonna work. Okay, I should get up so that I won't. This. Oh no, wrong! Ah! No! Oh my god, why am I not? I'm not yet dying? Wow, I'm the base. Good thing I got the jetpack. I should get this. What? How? Stop. I'm getting out of here. I can't find any red. What do you mean? This is red. That is red. Or would we start? Yellow? Yellow? Or we start? Yellow first, right? Don't like yellow. Oh, yeah, we're supposed to start it. So we pick this. Oh no! Oh no! Not again! Not again! Not again! Get out! Get out! No! So yeah, guys, bye. I think, but later I will record.